Well, hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. Tara, luto tayo.
La 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 la. Chopping veggies on the board, tears do fall, it's onions.
So today we're gonna cook pesang lapu-lapu. It's boiled fish. It actually originated from China and it means, ang pesa means plain boiled. So as described, napakadali niyang lutuin kasi you just boil the fish, but what makes it very special, yung dish na to, is masarap yung sauce niya. And very nutritious because it's made out of tomatoes. Simple and yet sobrang sarap. So tara, luto tayo. We start by gigisa natin yung garlic onion and then ang ano pala dito, gumagamit tayo ng pinaghugasan ng bigas for the soup ng pesa. We're gonna do it the traditional way, which is how my mom taught me. I don't usually eat fish. I'm not a lover of fish, pero kung kakain ako ng fish, this is one of the few dishes that I like. So, tamang-tama because it's the Lenten season. Holy Week, bawal kumain ng karne. So, maybe you can try this at home and then you tell us how it is in the comment section below. So, start natin with the garlic. Basta brown the garlic. Lahat talaga ng dish, mas sumasarap siya pag maraming garlic. Tapos, ang dami pa niyang health benefits ng garlic. It's very good for your body. We're using 1 kilogram of lapu-lapu. So, kaya medyo madami yung ginamit kong onions and garlic. Tapos, pwede mo nang lagay yung ginger. Pangpatanggal ng lansa ng fish. Tapos, pwede mo nang ilagay yung pinaghugasan ng bigas. And then, yung, dapat I have fish cube, but I don't have it, so I'm using shrimp cube. So, antayin lang natin siyang mag-boil. So, antayin lang natin siya mag-boil. And then, pag nag-boil na siya, lagay na natin yung gulay. After ng gulay, saka natin ihulay yung isda. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero, masarap siya. Lagay na natin yung... Hindi pa siya nagbo-boil, pero lagay na natin yung beans kasi medyo matagal. Tapos, maya-maya yung repolyo. Hintayin lang natin siyang kumulo. Tapos, lalagay natin yung repolyo kasi mabilis lang yung repolyo maluto. And then, lagay na natin yung fish. Tapos, lagay natin yung pepper. Konting patis. Tikman natin check lang natin kung kamusta na yung alat niya. Sarap na. Kaya siya sumasarap because sobrang sarap ng sauce niya. Dipping sauce na we will cook separately and I will show you also. It's so super simple pero super good. It's so good but yet so simple. Konting intay lang natin for the cabbage to cook and then we will add the lapu-lapu. Pag wala kang lapu-lapu, if you want a cheaper version, you can use catfish or dalag, which is readily available in the market. Tapos lagay na natin yung lapu-lapu. Tapos yun na. Hintayin mo lang maluto yung fish and then that's it. That's how simple it is. Cooking is so... It's not really easy, pero it's doable. It's just that most of us who don't know how to cook originally, parang it stops us from venturing into cooking kasi takot tayo na magkamali or takot tayo na it's something new to us, so we don't want to try. Pero ang simple lang, nakita mo kung gaano kadali yun. And then you're gonna create a dish that will wow your family, that will teach your children how to love home-cooked food. Napansin ko kasi ngayong panahon natin, it's like kids are so used to ordering takeout, ordering through the fast food restaurants, na parang ang daming bata ngayon na nagkakasakit ng sobrang aga sa cancer, ang daming nagkakaroon ng problema sa kidneys because we keep on feeding them food that is prepared not sa bahay. Na parang syempre, hindi natin alam kung anong ingredients yung nilalagay nila doon. We don't have any control over it. Tapos we're teaching our kids na not to value something that yung pinaghirapan. Iba talaga yung pinaghirapan yung food. Ako, my kids are really into fast food. Parang gusto ko sana na treat yung fast food, which is how it was before. Yung parang when you order from the restaurant, it's because you want a treat. Hindi yung everyday, every meal, yun yung meal nila. We are so blessed because we have our angels at home. Na you can show this video to them na it's so easy, simple siya pero masasarapan ka na para kang nag-order sa restaurant. Pero kontrolado mo kung ano yung what they put into your food. So yun lang. Okay na siya. Ganun kadali. Ilang minutes lang tayo. Kasi ang fish, it's so easy to cook it. Sarap na. Tikman natin. Sarap na. Tapos, check mo lang daw yung hasang, which is yung bibig. Kung hindi na siya mapula. Okay na. Gagamitin natin pang paalat niya is yung sauce. Start na natin yung sa sauce. Gisa-gisa din lang yung sauce. You're gonna be surprised that it's super good. So, lagay natin yung garlic. Tapos, tomatoes. Tapos, ang secret dito is the patis. So, mga 3 tablespoon yung nilagay ko. Tapos, yung trick sa tomato is kailangan mo lang siyang lutuin ng lutong-luto. Yung tipong halos malusaw na siya kasi sobrang luto. Yan na yun. Tapos, pag sinama mo siya sa fish, doon mo masasabi. Masarap yan. Masarap siya. So, tapos na po yung pagluluto natin ng pesang lapu-lapu. So, ito na yung ingredients niya. So, titikman na natin. So, ito yung pesa na may sausawan na kamatis. Sarap talaga ng kamatis. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe sa aming channel para mapanood yung next vlog namin. See you! Thank you!